Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our journey west on US Highway 90 at the entrance to the village of Estherwood in Acadia Parish. Estherwood has an estimated population of 977 as of 2016, an increase of almost 10% since the 2010 census. We enter the unincorporated farming community of Midland. Some people say it was given its name because it was the halfway point on the old railroad running westward from New Orleans to Houston. Midland first appeared on an Acadia Parish map as Midland Junction. We reached the village of Mermentau, which has an estimated population of 651. The Mermentau area was once reputedly a refuge for smugglers. It was a crossing point for brave travelers on the old Spanish Trail, but had such a bad reputation that until the Louisiana Purchase, no one would go there to see how many people were there. At the Mermentau River, we entered Jefferson Davis Parish, which has an estimated population of 31,413. Jefferson Davis Parish was one of the last parishes to be organized in the state of Louisiana. It was originally a part of Imperial Calcasieu Parish, which contributed to 5 other parishes as the population increased in the area. The bill creating Jefferson Davis Parish was passed by the state legislature in 1912 but did not take effect until 1913. Jefferson Davis Parish is part of the large 22-parish Acadiana region of Louisiana, which is influenced by a large Francophone population. It was named after Jefferson Davis, a prominent planter and the President of the Confederate States of America. We enter the city of Jennings, the only city in and the parish seat of Jefferson Davis Parish. Jennings was incorporated as a village on May 2, 1888. In 1901, a fire destroyed a large portion of the wooden structures in Jennings. That same year, Jennings was the site of the first oil well to produce in the state of Louisiana, revealing its first oil field. Oil brought a boom to the town for a period. When oil production declined, the basic agricultural economy of the parish supported the town. We conclude today's video as we leave the Jennings city limits. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.